Okay, hi, I'm back. I pressed the pause button, then I stopped the video. It was about 25 minutes, but I think I rambled on for about 10 minutes at the beginning. I'm thinking we could do a page like this in about 15 to 20 minutes, and the entire thing in about 30 minutes. Well, sorry, not the entire thing. We could do the basic details and create page. The more details page would probably take another 45 minutes. Anyway, I'm going to carry on. I am here. What have I just done? The elegant room. There it is. Okay. Of course, one does need to build blogs. These are no longer blogs. Build pages in a certain way for this to work. One needs the header, one needs the text that needs to be about 60 words, but you could really do between 40 and 80 if you wanted. And you can't just get a generic piece of text from a Vlla owner and slot it in. Well, maybe you could, but it's they're generally one big line of text at once, aren't they? If you get descriptions, they're not formatted in this way. But seeing as we have our own content writer, Chrissy, hi Chrissy, and she's going to do it one way or the other, makes it's as easier for her to write in this format than any other. I like to think of this as a glorified picture gallery with some text. And you'll notice all the HTML5, that's all the effects that you see or you would have seen at the beginning of, with all the pictures slide in, etc. That happens on our version as well, in a very, very similar way. Okay, that's that page done. Now, I should probably click save. Data saved successfully, great. Okay, let's go to the basic details page. Owner, manager name. That's Danielle. She's very nice enough to let me stay, have a party here on my birthday one year. Where's her information? Daniela, sorry. Daniela, company, no company. Email. Here it is. Nationality. I don't know if she's South African or Italian. Well, it's not going to work anyway. Okay, I'll leave that for now. Okay, for Leaf, nationality needs fixing as well. But, very, very good job so far. Considering this is only the second test, euphoric, it's no longer called euphoric. And note we have the address the opposite way round. We start with the continent and end with the house number. That's so as when we're using properties in different locations, it orders itself. One can create a new location. Are you in Africa? South Africa? Province. And if there wasn't a province there, one could just type it in and it would automatically make the page data store per continent as opposed to per road number, because that's a much better way to do it. Western Province, where is it? The Western Cape. Okay, Western Province is actually a rugby team. Add country code. No, that's fine because we've done that. There is no national parks. Okay, that shouldn't say, that's fine. City, Cape Town. There should be a lot more cities to choose from, but if one didn't know, one could just add one there. Town, suburb, Camps Bay, and again, one could add a new town or suburb. Postcode, 8005. Oh look, I wonder if that's picked up that geo code from the dates. That's for the Google Maps. Street name, I think it's Ronald. Ronald Avenue, yeah, there we go, right in front of me. Street name, Ronald Avenue, road number 18. And it is a villa on its own, it doesn't have an apartment name or number. Okay, property name on Villa Secrets. First of all, property name usual. So that would be Serenity. Now, we've very cleverly got a load of names. And here they are. One can quickly choose. Dreamtime. I like that. Okay. This property has now been renamed Dreamtime. There's the old ID. Now, I wonder if there's going to be a conflict between the old information and the new information. Bet there will be. What am I looking for now? Got it. Oh, okay. Provisional star grading. It is a 6-star property. It has 5 bedrooms. It's actually got a 6th, but it's under. It's not a join to the house. Sleeps 10. Let's just see what the information was on there. Oh, it doesn't have that information there. We sort of put everything that was essential here. Bathrooms, I don't know how many bathrooms there are. Currencies are low price. Now, I'm not going to add a low or a high price. I'm instead going to add some pricing. In fact, no, I am going to add a low price. Where would that be? Let's look on the web. Serenity. Villa, Cape Town. Hope there's some prices on here. Of course, the website doesn't show up anyway. Oh, yes, it does. Rates and reservations. God, that's a lot of different rates. These rates have gone up a lot. 120,000 rands a night. No, 100,000 rands. Like it used to be 40,000. Oh well, works for us because all the cheap guys won't be able to book it anymore. Okay, I just should do the low price. Where's the lowest price I can find? 15,500. Ah, hang on, these are future prices. This is 2016. Now we're in 2017 and the low price is 1550. So we put that in. 1550. And the high price is 100,000. Yeah, I mean it's worth that. It's just been ridiculously underpriced for many, many years. So what was I doing? High price, 100, 123. Date of last update, today. That should not have done that. It should only have updated if I'd entered a value. Oh well. Okay, page title, and oh, this is where I need Chrissy. Page and meta title. Well, let's have a look at the blog, see what we got. Where's it gone? There. Serenity Villa in Camps Bay, Cape Town. In fact, it's not Serenity anymore. It is Dreamtime Villa. Okay. Dreamtime. Oh, for the blogs, we're using the correct names. For the pages, we're not. Dreamtime Villa. Introducing. Should be 2 words, I think. Dreamtime. No, 1. Introducing the Dreamtime Luxury Villa in Camps Bay. Okay, that'll work. Do a cross between holiday home that is known, Chrissy. You never call a 6-star villa a holiday home. Actually, I prefer this second one. What am I doing? It's fine. Doesn't matter if that's too long. It just means it won't show in Google. This won't let me write any longer. I want to make this into a question. Do you love the Dreamtime Villa in Camps Bay? Dreamtime luxury villa. Question mark. The reason we do that is it encourages the person to answer the question in their head, and by the time they've answered the question, they find they're actually reading about it. Okay, let's put all of this in here. Change that holiday home to luxury villa. Where's that? The Serenity Villa. That's really odd. Coastline, suburban. No, it just hasn't typed it all in. Okay, that'll do. Article photo. Okay, so 800 by 400. Now, it is best that one makes a specific article header, because this means a specific photograph, because this will mean that it's quicker on mobile. This picture never appears more than that wide. So let me... Oh, look, there's me. I'll open. There's more of me. Options. Villa photos. That's what are we going to have as this as the main photo. That one's quite nice. Image size. What do we want? 400 by 800. It should work out perfectly. Okay. File. Export. If you haven't got Photoshop, darn it. Okay. Villa photos. What's going on? Villa photos. Smaller for mobile. Okay, I'm going to save that. Oh, it didn't even tell me what size it was. Oh. Save web level. Yes, that's what I've got to do. 153K, that's fine. Okay, let's load that up. Okay, now the next photograph. Picture title. Stream time Vlla. This is more keywords for the titles. With view of sunsets. That's fine to have that being the same. Okay, this one is 400 by 500, which is very similar. Why not this one? Okay. Height 500. What's the size? 800 by 500. Okay. Okay, now we just need to cut a bit of this off. Image, canvas size, yeah, that's fine. File, export. Now let's upload it. Actually, not overly happy with that being the front shot. I'll do it. It's okay for now. And portrait. These are fine using the portrait ones that we've already selected. And that one, yes, for sure. Okay. All right, okay, submit. Oh, add a phone number. That's a mobile number, not a... Add her last name. Save. Okay. Let's have a look at page 1. See how these details. There you see the dream times come up. The ratings. There's a little bit of a problem there, but just a little bit. Now we're not seeing the headers. This should be the headers. Let's see how's it looking. Slides in, slides in, slides in. Great looking page. Okay, that's all I'm going to do for now. We're going to look at these more detailed options in a few days, but yeah, I think we should be able to do one of these per hour when you get used to it. Great. Okay, bye-bye.